Oh, oh, you're mine, you're mine. Oh, oh. I've been walking these long roads, chasing dreams in the night glow. World keeps spinning, people change, but your love stays the same. Oh no, akafa ndirendeka, moyo wangu wakarembera. Through the noise and all the pain, your voice calls me back again. When the rain keeps falling down, and I'm lost without a sound, one thought pulls me through it all. It's the way you say my name. You're my hope, even when I roll. Ninotoka kwa uri, ndiwe wandakada. Every road leads back to you, no matter what this world may do. You're my home, my safe place. Ndipo panogara rudo wangu.
City lights and foreign skies, so many faces passing by. I smile, but deep inside, something's missing when you're not nearby. Kunyangwe ndinezvese pano, pasina iwe hazvina zvazvinoreva. Money, fame, hazindikunde kana ndisina ruoko rwako padivi pangu. When the night feels way too long, and my strength is almost gone, I remember where I belong. In your arms, that's where I'm
strong. Even when I roam, ndinotoka kwa uri, ndiwe wandakada. Every road leads back to you, no matter what this world may do. You're my home, my safe place. Ndipo panogara rudo rwangu. Kana nyika ikandishandura, usandisiye ndirindeka. Even if I lose my way, your love brings me back again. Anditika nandineiwe, mumoyo mangu wakavaka imba. Where I rest, where I heal, you're the only thing that's real. You're my home, even when I roam. Ndinotoka kwa uri, ndiwe wandakada. Through the storms, through the fire, you're my peace, my one desire. You're my hope, till the end. Ndimima ndinotokera. Wherever life may take my soul, one truth I'll always know: I don't need a place or stone as long as I've got you.